How to create a repeated calendar event on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen or in the apps screen, open up the calendar app. Then on your calendar display, tap on the date that you want to create an event. And then you can double tap or tap on the add button to create a new event. In here, you can give it a title. So here, I will call it teammate. And then you can go down and choose an all-day event or during a specific time. So we can set a start time, say at 10 a.m. and a team meeting will be for say half an hour. So we choose 10:30. So 30 minutes of team meeting. You can set the location. Then we go down and choose where to save your calendar to. And here tap on my calendar and then select where you want to save your calendar to. After that, we go down and we can set an alarm. So here we can set 1 hour before, 10 minutes before, at time of event, or 1 day before, or you can set a custom time. So select the time. You can select multiple item in the list here and then tap on the back key. After that, tap on the repeat button. In here, by default, it is set to don't repeat. Here you can set it to repeat every 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, or 1 year, or every second day or second week. So that's up to you. Or you can set a specific day in a week. So here we can set it on Wednesday and Friday every week or every second week. So here you can set every second week on Wednesday and Friday, for example. The meeting will take place, and here you can set the duration. So will this go on forever, or it will go on for a specific number of times, or until a specified end date. So here I will simply select forever, and then you can tap on done. After that, we can then tap on the back key to get out the repeat. Then down here you can add in notes. For example, bring notes. Okay, and then we go down. If you want to include any attachment for the meeting, you can do so as well. Here we can set a time zone, and then after that, tap on saved. And that's it. So now we have a team meet every second week, as you can see. And that is how you can create a repeated calendar event on Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.